Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, together, we'll explore the best places to visit in Croatia. Croatia is a country at the crossroads of Central and Southeast Europe. It shares a coastline along the Adriatic Sea. From sprawling beaches, picturesque towns, and stunning scenery, Croatia has all the ingredients you need for an ultimate summer holiday. It is popular among honeymooners, families, and large friends groups. The best time to visit Croatia is during the summer months from June to September when sunlight is good and temperatures are warm. These conditions are ideal for boating and swimming in the blue waters around the islands. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1. Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik is known for its rich history and culture, stunning architecture, and picturesque landscapes. The city's old town is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is full of historic landmarks like the walls of Dubrovnik. This beautiful city on the southern coast of Croatia is one of the most popular travel destinations. Dubrovnik was the perfect filming location for Game of Thrones, and all the GOT fans can go on an organized Game of Thrones walking tour that takes them to all of the significant filming spots throughout the Old Town, which served as different parts of King's Landing. The walls of Dubrovnik are a series of very tall defensive walls that were continually constructed, expanded, further fortified from 12th to 17th century. Pretty much every section of the walls offer new and gorgeous viewpoints of the Adriatic on one side and the historic city on the other. There is also an entry fee of 33 euros to access the Dubrovnik walls. The streets of Dubrovnik of the old city are equally beautiful and mesmerizing. Walking around the old city will make for a good experience when you are in Dubrovnik. Number 2. Krka National Park. Croatia has 8 national parks, so there is plenty of choice when it comes to outdoor adventuring. Krka National Park features several places of interest. The attractions and facilities available include various footpaths, sightseeing tours, amazing waterfalls, boat trips, souvenir shops, a museum, and restaurants. We went to Croatia in October, which is considered as off-season, so the entry fees to enter the park was 100 Croatian kunas, which is approximately 13 euros. As summer is considered as a peak season, the entry fees to enter the park in summer is 200 kunas, which is approximately 26 euros. Skradinski Book is one of the most attractive parts of the park. It is a massive, clear, natural pool with high waterfalls at one end and cascades at the other. It is the lowest of the 3 sets of waterfalls formed along the Krka River. The Krka National Park is worth visiting solely to admire the power and beauty of Skradinski Book, the park's most beautiful waterfall. This place was definitely the highlight of the trip and is a must-visit place when you are in the country. Number 3. Split. Split is Croatia's second largest city and has plenty of things to do for visitors, especially the historic sites with the Palace of Diocletian, which is a World Heritage Site. The city is also full of culture and is a host of excellent museums. The old town of Split is a maze of streets and cobblestone lanes which has lots of cafes and restaurants. The Diocletian Cellars is one of the best preserved ancient complexes of their kind in the world. The entrance to the halls of the substructures today is through Porta Enia. The central hall, representing the main communication line between the Riva and Peristyle, is a place to buy valuable souvenirs, jewelries, showpieces, etc. And the rest of the substructures is open for sightseeing as one of the greatest attractions of Split. One more thing to do in Split is to sit at the Riva, which is a pedestrian heaven, thrusting with cafes and restaurants. There is also a seafront promenade at the Riva lined with palm trees where you can sit and enjoy the peaceful view of the Adriatic Sea. Number 4. Beaches. Croatia is famed for its scenic pebbled beaches, which are in sea green and blue color. There is plenty of choice in Croatia when it comes to beautiful beaches. We explored the beach closer to the Dubrovnik Old Town. As there are lots of options for beaches in Croatia, it makes a great spot for some sunbathing and relaxation. Number 5. Sea Organ. The sea organ is an architectural sound art object located in Zadar. It was designed by architect Nikola Basic and was opened in April 2005. The sea organ captures the movement of the waves and transforms it into music or something like it. It is an odd mournful sound that somehow evokes the sea, wind, and the sky. Number 6. Greeting to the Sun. Greeting to the Sun is a monument in Zadar dedicated to the sun. It is situated nearby the sea organ in Zadar. It consists of 300 multi-layered glass plates placed on the same level as the stone-paved waterfront. Lighting elements installed in a circle turn on at night and produce a colorful light show. Number 7. Zadar. Zadar is a quirky seaside city with a fascinating historic center, enviable restaurant scene, and sprawling national parks within easy reach. It is also known as the oldest continuously inhabited Croatian city. Zadar is both an atmospheric time machine and an open-air museum. The Zadar region has plenty of sandy beaches and beautiful islands, so it represents a paradise destination for all those who want a relaxed vacation on the coast of the Adriatic Sea. So this was my list for the best places to visit in Croatia. Do let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite place to visit in the country. I hope today's video was enjoyable and insightful for you guys. Please do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.